No one will lose their home due to coronavirus. That's the promise from the province. And today the government has unrolled a series of protections for tenants. A suspension of all current and future evictions, with some exceptions, up to $500 per month for renters paid directly to landlords, and a freeze on all rent increases as of April 1st. There are 500,000 rental households in BC, and the province is bracing for 100% pickup. The Premier is appealing for those who are still able to pay their full rent to continue doing so.
And this program, the temporary renter supplement, is designed to help those people who've seen a drop off in their hours or, in fact, a layoff notice come their way.
The emergency money, a lifeline for renters like Derek White.
Well, it's a relief for me.
He pays $1,500 a month for his one-bedroom West End apartment. He was laid off from his job as a restaurant manager last week. And then his landlord slipped a letter under his door warning rent would still be due on the 1st.
Now I know that with the money coming in from the federal government, plus the additional $500 a month from the province, means that I can actually pay my rent, pay my bills.
But there are still some unknowns. For example, will the $500 be for each individual renter or per rental unit?
The actual implementation of the program is being worked out, and that's one of the considerations that we're looking at.
For many, the biggest relief is the moratorium on evictions.
We're really pleased with the announcement from the province.
Still, legal advocates for low-income renters say there are some questions that have to be answered.
The concern, I guess, would be what happens at the end of this ban on evictions if you've fallen behind on your rental payments and the supplement hasn't been enough to cover your rent for those months of the crisis. What happens then?
Those tapping into the $500 a month rental supplement will prove their income loss through the federal EI application. But the province warns that cash likely won't be ready to use by April 1st. Tanya Fletcher, CBC News, Vancouver.